magpapag foto ang kagabitan Ellen Salazar Lupa. Pagpapagpapagpapagpapag. The high heels, and at this very moment, ladies and gentlemen, let's give credit and of course a big round of applause for the ever-loving, supportive father, Mr. Victor Ruan Salazar Lutang. So hand over the bouquet. Palakpakan naman sa
Thank you sa mga bisita nga ning-ari, sa akong mga Gano family, Salazar family, sa mga taga-bantayan ng mga family, thank you. Friends, sa akong mga anak, sa Dinyutan, sa akong 21.
K-pop.
Mga K-pop, mga neighbors. Thank you sa inyong pag-hatag og time kanamo karon. O nga hinaut, mag-enjoy ka mo. Mga busog ta o malipay. Thank you kayo guys. Thank you so much. Good evening.
there we have it for the ones, one by one, the mother. But of course, this is the event and to great fun and all our others. Let's all welcome ladies and gentlemen to this really host. Pinakamasipang pakpak for Miss Barbie. Palakpakan naman dyan. Maniwag pa ka itong isang pakpak.
You found the secret code I use to wash away my lonely blues. Well, I can't deny your life is bright, be bright. Sing with me! Sex bomb, going to sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to call. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Every day, so
Bili ko muna ng ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you to the celebration on behalf of the family, the birthday celebrators. We have Tim and the team who made this preparation. Again, welcome to the celebration. And that's a lovely lady standing in front of you. Don't be confused. I'm not a girl. I'm not a boy. I'm a transformer. Just don't call me sir. Kung tawag sir, parang mo 8 hours. You can call me Barbie. Barbie's the first name. The last name is Q. Barbecue. I'll be the master of the ceremony and I'll do my best to bring fun tonight, bring color along with the celebration. I know the things are kind of boring because of the message part, but I'm gonna try my best para I'm chilling out. I just need the cooperation from the crowd, but of course, let's highlight the birthday girl, the birthday celebrator. Syempre, masipag bakbak everyone. Are you all feeling good tonight?
Yeah.
Ipaggutom na ba ang tanan?
Yes.
Well, apologies in advance ang dinner alas 10 pa. And anyway, kidding aside, we'll have to do at least one tradition for the birthday girl who just turned 18 today. Congratulations, young lady. Happy birthday. Babahan na ka ni Barbie. Pareha nag-beauty. We also have this birthday girl, Shandy, right?
Yes.
A big round of applause for our birthday girl, Shandy. She's actually part of the celebration, the celebration during your debut. It was COVID.
Yeah.
Sakto. So, ang hitch na kamay ka. But of course, we have to highlight our birthday girl who's her gifts and okay. So, I'm not gonna talk too much ha. Kaya I know ibutong na good na gift mo. So, at least we'll have to do one tradition. We'll begin right away. Apologies. Starting ko lang sa program ang warang tanilaan. So, we'll do the 18 BS. Okay? So we'll call 18 participants. Please come forward as I call your name. You hand over that red envelope or angpao to our birthday celebrator. And once done, please stand aside lang sa kilid. We're gonna do a quick photo opportunity later, and along with it, our debutant will have to pick one out of 18 to at least give you a piece of advice when it comes to money, how you spend money. Followed by Felisa Capilla,
18 bills.
Nelson Papelona, Abigail Mosqueda, Risa Amarquez, Teresa Oveniano, Cayetano Cruz, Christian Cayobit, Kenneth Rivera, Yoshimi Sasaki, Winnie Jane Gonzalo, Dante Villatolid, Maria Regina Litan, Maria Teresa Fenwick, Maria Leora T, Maria Lourdes Lita, Zoe Lorraine Plantar, Mary Sheena Lita. Again, calling all the 18 blue bills. Let's begin with Boris Salud, Felisa Capilao, Nelson Babylona, Abigail Mosqueda, Risa Amarquez, Teresa Oveniano, Cayetano Cruz, Christian Cayobit, Kenneth Rivera, Yoshimi Sasaki, Winnie Jane Gonzalo, Dante Villatolid, Maria Regina Lita, Maria Teresa Fenwick, Maria Leonora T, Maria Lourdes Lita, Zoe Lorraine Plantar, and Mary Sheena Lita. There we have it. I believe we're all set. Please do the honor, ma'am, sir. And before we let you go or allow you to get back to your seats, our debutant once again has to pick one participant to give her a piece of advice, especially when it comes to earning money, spending it, and of course, saving it. And to the rest of the 18 Bluebees, thank you so much for sharing your blessings in monetary form. Maraming salamat. Alright, to give a message, it is important to hear a piece of advice from one of the participants of the 18 Blue Bills. We'll call Yoshimi Sasaki. With a big round of applause, my love people.
Pagulang sa sale. Para at least dili magsakit imong dughan bitaw na ipalit ka sa butang na full payment pero at the end of the day or like few weeks after kay mag-sale butang mo ang sale. More to siya. Happy birthday by the way.
Hey, there you go. Thank you so much for seeing such a piece of advice. So from me, dear, so whatever you have right now, you have to use it according lang sa imong needs, no? O pwede nyo mo siya inegosyo, pwede po sa masitay, pwede nyo mo sa carbon, i-rolling nyo mo siya. Without kidding aside, you have to spend kung unsay ginanglangan ng mga spenda niya. Spend according kung unsay mo, you have to spend, you have to earn that money in a hard way, and of course, spend mo siya wisely. Hindi ka rin mapangitag kwarta, sama na mong mga MC or host, kailangan pa ni magpalit ng make-up, lingawin mo ang mga bisita, at the same time, kailangan mo mukhaong kayo para lang malingaw ang mga bisita. Lisod kayo makinabuhi. And just to let you know, in my part as a breadwinner sa family, I'm earning, let's say for this event, maka-earn ko, let's say 4,000 to 5,000. So, 50% ana at to sa akong pamilya sa probinsya, 20% at to sa akong bills every month. And then, ang remaining 30% sa boyfriend na dahil. So, ngayon, zero na ang bayad. I-hitch na lang sa iba. But anyway, kidding aside, again, be wise in spending money soon. Manarbaho na ka, you can never earn sinong money and you will appreciate the hard work. Okay? Happy birthday! Ito pa ka na birthday girl and the 18 girls. Of course, we'll have to let the other birthday girl as well, Sandy, take her place here. So, same with this, though she's 21, atong balikon sa iyang pagka-18 mother, sakto po. So we have here 18 participants for the 18 Blue Bills. Sa mga bisita na matawag o balik, ako na yung bahala, ma'am sir. Disubo naman ko rin. Okay, we'll have Rudy Capila. Pero walang problema kung may paghambawag sa sarili ko. Maria Regina Lita. Maria Teresa Fenwick. Maria Leonora T. Maria Lourdes Lita. Jenny Avergonzago. Yvonne Lizelle Ramos. Jason Desocata. Emily Salazar. Sheila sa camera tayo. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Smile. Waki-waki-waki. Alright, dagang salamat. So you may hand the angpaw sa kabati. Kung nakakwarta sa sisyan dito na So at least we have finished this one, ladies and gents. One tradition is a kind of late in the evening. So of course, again, as mentioned earlier, we'll be